They are so cute! I love these guys. Amazing creatures. It's so nice to watch their daily routine. How they eat, swim, and bathe in the sun. Totally awesome! Do you like them, guys? In our last video with turtles, we made a terrarium for them. It was very pretty and bright. But we got a lot of comments from you that it's quite small for 2 turtles. Plus, now our terrarium doesn't look so nice anymore. That's why we've decided to make a new one. It will be bigger, and our turtles will have enough room for sure. So guys, do you want to see your new home being constructed? Sam, I urgently need your help.
Hi, Sue. Hi, guys. Oh, hey there, turtles.
Sam, the turtles and I need your hand. There were so many comments that our terrarium is too small for 2 turtles, so we need to move them. Will you help me?
Sure, no problem. Let's go, guys. We'll find you a new home. Hey, are you coming?
Sammy, that's not what I meant. Sammy! Well, at least you'll be with me, guys. Oh, so heavy. Our turtles will have a brand new spacious terrarium. Here they will play, swim, and warm up in the sun. But we don't get much sun here, so we'll need a UV lamp. It will shine like a real sun on our turtles with its UV rays. And another heating lamp that will keep them warm. Every terrarium with living creatures needs a water filter. Make sure that it's powerful enough to handle the size of our terrarium. And a thermometer so we can check if they have comfortable air temperature. Whoa, I can't wait to assemble this terrarium. I wonder what Sam and the turtles are up to.
Those hamsters are such sleepy heads. In the winter, they can hibernate like little bears. Hammy! Wake up! Oh, finally, here you are. Meet your neighbors. The turtles will stay with you because their tank is too tight. Hey, where you going? You know nothing about hospitality. Whatever, we'll find you another home. Plus, you won't fit in there, guys. Come.
We'll need something to cover the bottom of the tank. Looky here, it's like in the real sea. We'll put them carefully inside. This goes here, and then here. Under the shore, we'll have bigger stones. The rest will spread out evenly across the bottom, like that. The turtles used to live on a small island, but the new one will be so much bigger and comfy. So we set it here. Check out this slide! I wish I could slide down. Now we need some water. Lots of water. Filling the tank. It's getting wet in here. Here we go. Make sure to install the filter. We can't do without it. Our turtles definitely got used to their own little garden. We'll have it here too. Some greenery near the island. And a little bit of greens here in the corner as well. Let the filter do its job. Almost done. This looks very pretty. Do you like it, y'all? Then give it a thumbs up. And write in the comments below what you think about this terrarium.
Wow, this looks comfy enough. There's enough room for everyone. Why did you climb up there, guys? Don't you enjoy the place? Come on, it's not that bad here. I just don't get where the owner of this house is. Oh. Ah! Here he is. Hi, Gary. How do you like the house me and Sue made for ya? Say hi to your new neighbors. Hey, guys! Where are you? Not happy again. Sorry, Gary. Next time. Guys, wait!
We just need to take care of the lamps. And they're not just for lighting. This is a UV lamp. Its rays help the turtles digest calcium they get from food. That way their bones and shell will get very strong. Like that. Now our turtles will be healthy. But that's not the only lamp we'll need. There's also a heating lamp. We need it to keep the temperature comfortable in the terrarium. The turtles really enjoy sunbathing under this lamp. Great! I guess the air temperature is just okay. But the thermometer will help us know for sure. Now let's install it. Now we can see that this temperature is really comfortable for the turtles. Oh, guess who's back? Hi there, little travelers. Where were you?
I just couldn't catch up with them. I thought the turtles were slow.
Oh, that's not always so, Sam. Red-eared turtles are predators. That means they need to chase their prey. But you can't really tell. They're so sweet.
Where did you go? We almost found you a new home. Sorry, Sue. I wanted to accommodate them with Hammy or Gary, but they like neither of those.
Sam, I asked you to help me with their relocation to a new terrarium, not someone else's tank.
Huh? Wow! Brand new, so pretty. I would live there.
And spacious. Now there will be enough room.
It's really big. Have a closer look.
So guys, are you ready to move? Welcome home. Careful! Bloop! Swimming time! The water must feel nice. Sometimes, I wish I was a turtle. Aw, don't get lost in your little garden. Look, Sam! It seems they like it.
Yep, I guess they are happy. You are happy, aren't ya?
And the new island looks interesting to them.
They really enjoy it. If they could talk, I'm sure they would tell us how happy they are. However, I think that basically they didn't care where they live. The main thing is to have enough food.
In fact, they eat a lot. I've always wondered how much food could fit in their little bodies. Hey, don't eat all the food at once. Save something for later. Oh well, I guess they just know that we won't leave them starving here. Okay, eat as much as you like.
So, that's an awesome terrarium. I like it.
And do you like it, guys? Then give it a thumbs up and leave some comments below.
And subscribe to our channel. Ciao!
Bye-bye!